Hey, what's up, guys? Just trying to look up some videos on my Chevy Cruze and never really had anybody explaining anything on why these things went bad and if there was anything to attempt to try to fix this. So, doing a little more digging, I ended up coming to find out that it is just these portions in here. Take this off. Right here. So this right here just sets in there, and what happens is that gets covered in corrosion on the end there, and it's the same thing for inside of the post right there, just kind of full of corrosion. Now this won't always solve it because there could be corrosion inside of the coil pack itself, but in my experience it seems that this has been the resolve. Now of course you could just buy yourself a $50 coil pack on Amazon, but that's going to be an aftermarket one and it won't be your OEM coil pack. So it is worth a shot. Just use a Q-tip, some isopropyl. A higher alcohol content would be better. Thanks.